that you have launched during festival?
We've launched one very nice range which has got a lever flush. Is designed by very famous designers of European League. Also, we've launched a shower which is named Cloud, so which has won award in ISH in Frankfurt this year itself. So a couple of more things we are coming up. We've got very unique diverter which is helps technically for plumbers and especially for customer. He likes it a lot because there is no risk of the water going into the walls. So those kind of things we are launching.
Speak about the expansion plan of Himachal.
Mhm.
What are
We have got very good plans and very positive also. We've got dealers up now in Delhi, Bombay, Chandigarh, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, and soon we are going to come up in Northeast as well. Also in Rajasthan, state of Rajasthan. So plans are quite strong.
as of now, how many dealers do you have?
We've got 4 dealers now. We started from September, and we have got good response. We've got 1,000 square feet showroom in Delhi, in Greater Class 2 GK2 market. That's the most posh market. In Chandigarh also in Madhya Marg, in Bombay also in Lower Parel. So best out of the best cities, best place in the city as well. Yeah.
And what about distributors? How many distributors are you planning to have by?
No, we are not planning to have any distributor because we want to keep it exclusive to a dealer. So the dealer takes interest in selling because we are not only selling a product, we are selling a brand. So brand has to be catered in a manner that we can position it in a way inside the showroom also, that good presentation of products. So we go up till that level. Basically, Italians, if they are good in their product, they are good in everything and all things.
And what about gel products then?
Jal is a different brand. It's been catered by a different team. So it's headed by a separate office. For this, we have entirely new setup has been created. Uh, so moreover, Jal is just a strategic partner, and nothing more than that in this brand. So
In this brand.
in this brand,
Whereas Himachal is concerned, that's a strategic partner.
this brand is named as Fima Carlo Frattini. Fima Carlo Frattini is present in more than 85 countries. So we've got good reference projects in Dubai is very strong, Russia is very nice. So 85 countries means a lot, from America to China, from Africa to Norway. So we are in most of the big countries.
Projects in India. Are you tying up with dealers?
Surely we are looking forward to good builders. We had got good response in the exhibition as well of builders, of really good brands of builders. We have done in past one project in Mumbai, uh, and couple of celebrities are using this brand. Now, when the full-fledged range and full-fledged office team sales is here, we will be doing a couple of projects more. It's difficult to say. It's difficult to say because the with high-end brands. First of all, we are not targeting too many dealers because we want to keep it exclusive. We want that dealer should earn also, and moreover, we don't want that you can find such a brand at every nick and corner. So it's has to be exclusive brand, has to be an exclusive store. So we're planning metro cities first, all the metro cities, and then tier one, tier two cities in the later stages.
What is the price range of Hima Carlo selling?
FEMA Carlo Ftini, we've got very aggressive range starting from which we have come for projects and commercials. The basin mixer starts at 8,500, but we have above that. That's the only range. Above that, it's goes up till 85,000. A basin mixer.
So how do you differentiate from say the likes of Studio or Kazaria, Caroline,
Ah,
How,
is
how do
actually there is no comparison with. First of all, when there is made in Italy, everybody knows what is the quality is going to be. Everybody knows Italians are famous for their design. So moreover, uh, one thing has to be done, because the manufacturing, if it is happening in Italy, it has its own expense, because manufacturing is not a small job there. If I put a brand, Italian brand, and then I get it manufactured in China, that's a different game, or Thailand, for that matter. But when it comes straight from Italy, obviously 30% is added just of duties, and moreover, we some of the products we still pay royalties to our designers, because these are designed, almost all the products are designed by very famous European designer, Italian, German, Scandinavian. So these are famous designers, freelancers who design for FEMA, and the patent is with the company itself. So every product sold, we have to pay royalty to a designer also. But you'll never find any product of our kind in any other brand, because it's a designer and made for FEMA.
Is there any forward-looking thought that we have a manufacturing unit in India?
Not manufacturing, in the later stage can be, but we are not thinking on that lines for now. Reason is because we want it to be truly Italian. So many companies can do what they are doing, but we wanted that it has to have its Italian worth. So made in Italy is what we want. If we start manufacturing in India, problems are, maybe in the future we specially launch some new range which is made in India, and we say that this is made in India and under this brand with the same quality standards, and which is very high, and also the design aspect keeping in mind. But in near future, not really. In the times to come, we can think of.
As far as bath fitting systems, I was looking at the association members. They said that they need some clusters.
Right.
Clusters. It's possible to have a cluster manufacturing for bath fittings in India.
There is one cluster already existing now in bath fittings. It's in Mohali. It's the first cluster of Punjab, and name is Mohali High Tech Metal Cluster. So it is been made under the central government scheme. So group of same like manufacturers of allied products or bath fittings. I think there are almost 100 members of it. It's a good achievement of this cluster. The founder members are really working hard on it. They have already come up with a common facility center in which they can get die casting, 3D designing, all that thing. It will be coming very soon now. It's a government step, actually, with the effort of the founders. They have actually gone really far, because this cluster, I think, almost took 6-7 years to be formed. And in India it's difficult to, you in a cluster to get together all the competitors.
I'll give it this because just during Wednesday I was meeting people from the industry and making. Okay. So some of the bath fitting manufacturers of Delhi, they have approached, and now they are waiting. They have shown land in Haryana and Rajasthan,
Okay.
but they want it in Haryana only. So now with Make in India coming, defense is coming, now the land is sold, and they're saying that we have been waiting,
And they didn't get it. Quite possible. Depends on which state helps in which sectors.
I was there at the meeting. Haryana was open. Now these people took a lot of time, and so the and somebody else. We have to speak of competition in bath fittings industry.
Right.
Who is the number one player?
So it depends on which parameters you are asking. Can be on design, can be on volumes of business, can be on turnover, can you be on brand visibility. Jaguar, no doubt, is the market leader in terms of volumes. In terms of volumes, he has the largest share, of course. Quality is good. I don't know if there are many other brands which are better in design. So different parameters you can position different brands on number
Where
one.
do you position Carlo?
FEMA Carlo Frattini is very high end designer. I will say no Indian brand can compete. Only one or two another Italian brand can compete us, but they can compete us only because they're Italian, and the designs of all the companies are different. So the quality matches of only Italians with us.
Thank you so much, Anand. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.